Hi, everyone. Welcome to this introductory lecture to Excel, one of the most popular spreadsheet program used for data analysis and management. Again, welcome to our course. Yeah, so the other thing that we can do is sorting and filtering of data. So we can sort data as well. How can we sort data in the Excel? To sort data in Excel, we need to follow some steps. So select the range of the cell that you want to sort. So for example, if I want to sort from A1 to A10, so I have to select this range. So once the range is selected, go to the Data tab in the ribbon. So then you have to go to this sort. So in the Sort dialog box, choose the column you want to sort by and select whether you want to sort in ascending and descending order. We have already selected column A, and here we can choose from largest to smallest. And when I'll press OK, so they have changed the values. Firstly, we have from 1 to 10. Now we have from 10 to 1. We can filter the data as well. To filter data in Excel, we need to follow again some steps. Select the range of the cell that you want to filter. Then we have to go to the data again, and then we have to press filter here. And after that, we will see a drop-down menu here. And when we'll click it, then we can see we can sort the data from smallest to the largest. Yeah, so they have again done something with our data from smallest to the largest. Right. So we can do it from largest to the smallest, and there's some error because of this raw data. We'll do with your proper data, then it will be fine. So yeah, this is it for today, and thank you so much. Keep practicing, guys. I will see you in the next class.